In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free naira from this free telegram bot. Only with your telegram you can make naira every day. So make sure you watch this video to the end to see all processes. So I'm going to be keeping the link in the description box below. So when you open the link, okay, now it's loading. When you open the link over here now, the first thing you're going to see something like start button. So the first thing I'm going to type is start. But if you see start on your own case, click the start button. So start. The bot is going to start right now. So when the bot starts, you subscribe to this following channel, you click on it, you click on each of them, you click and follow all of them on Telegram. Then when you're done following all of them, click on I have subscribed. Click on I have subscribed to follow the next part. Then click on verify. It's going to open a web page inside the Telegram. This is going to verify. Now the verify me has loaded. So all you're going to do is click on this I'm not a robot. Click on it. Then this, you solve the captcha. Then click on verify me. Now that verified you, then click on close web view. Then start the robot again. You start it again. Since you're subscribed before, click on I subscribed. You click on I subscribed. So now the bot has loaded. You can share. Then when you share to your friends per referral, you get 333 naira. Then you can also perform tasks on this website. You can perform various tasks. Task 1 every day. You can perform many tasks. The tasks are updated every hour. So you can perform tasks. For example, let me perform a task. I'll click on task 1. Then click on join channel. I already joined channel, so click on done. When I click on done, I already completed the task, as you can see over here. So I'll go back. So you can share if you want to reach the withdrawal faster, share your referral links. And to withdraw, you only use OPay accounts only to withdraw. You use your OPay accounts only to withdraw from these bots. So before we continue, I would love to show us some things from this website. Bank. Come over here, click on withdraw, then click on faucet balance. Click on faucet balance, then click on set wallet. As you can see over here, it's requesting only your OPay account number. Only your OPay account number. For those that don't have OPay account, I'll be leaving the link to get an OPay account in the description box. Only your OPay account number. Send it. Now it has been saved. So whenever a withdrawal is going on, make sure you accumulate as much as, so that you can cash out big. This bot has been paying me for a long time now. It has been paying me for over a long time now. So if you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like and a subscription in this video. Thanks for watching.